We're thrilled to see our clients succeeding. At Acadeq, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing our students reach their academic potential and surpass their goals. Whether it's acing an exam, submitting a high-quality assignment, or getting excellent quiz results, our students are consistently achieving outstanding results with our support. What we offer, from expert guidance in essay writing, report preparation, assignments, coding assistance, and exam preparation, we work closely with each student to ensure they receive personalized help tailored to their unique needs. Check out the results: high quiz scores, successfully completed assignments with top grades, improved academic performance in various subjects, happy students who are confident in their academic journey. Our clients are showing consistent improvement, and their results speak for themselves. We love being a part of their success stories and are dedicated to helping every student achieve their academic dreams. Let Acadeq help you. Need help with your next big exam, an assignment deadline, or a difficult subject? Our team of experts is ready to provide you with the support you need to succeed. Don't let academic challenges hold you back. Let us guide you towards success. Contact us today and start your journey to academic excellence. USA 1-786-88-77995, Pakistan 923-707-004343. Visit www.acadeq.com. Email us at support@acadeq.com or acadeq@icloud.com for inquiries. Follow us on social media for more updates and tips at Acadeq Official.